Hi, I'm Norm Stillman from the Court Street Animal Hospital here for this week's PCN Pet Health segment. Ruby and I are going to be talking with you about the importance of microchips and their benefits, and Moonlight's going to be helping us demonstrate. So a microchip is a little piece of circuitry. It's encapsulated in glass, and it contains within it a little tiny transmitter. There's no power source, but it is very briefly energized by a microchip scanner such as this one. The microchip rests underneath the skin, and by convention in this country we always put it between a pet's shoulder blades. When a pet is found, then a shelter, humane society, some police departments, some fire departments, almost every veterinarian will have one of these scanners and will run it across the pet's back, and a little alphanumeric code will show up on the screen. Using this code, we can call an 800 number, which is staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and read them this number, and they'll be able to identify the pet for us and tell us who the owner is, where they live, give us contact information, and also tell us if the pet has something like diabetes or epilepsy. Maybe they require some medication. I find these chips very useful. Probably at least once a month, someone calls us up and says they've discovered a cat in their backyard or a dog walking down their street and they're not sure what to do with it. We always ask them to bring it over, and we scan every one of those animals. Probably 1 in 10 of those has a microchip. We call their owner. Of course, they're terribly worried. They've been looking everywhere, and as soon as we alert them, they come and get their pet. Problem solved. The other 9 do not have microchips, and unless they have some kind of other identification on them, we call the animal shelter, and then our animal control officers come to pick that pet up and take them to the shelter. Stressful for the pet. Sometimes we can't discover their owners at all. So I think for a lot of reasons the microchip works out beautifully. It's very safe, it's very effective, it's inexpensive, it lasts for the pet's whole life. I would strongly advocate anyone who has a pet to consider placing a microchip there to help them get back as quickly as possible. Heaven forbid if they're ever lost. Thanks so much for having me. I'll look forward to talking with you again in the near future.